Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Google Bard AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open up your web browser, make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Because since it's Google Bard, obviously you will need to log into your Google account first. So make sure you're logged into your Google account and then simply type bard.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Google Bard. Now just click on the Try Bard button and you will need to agree through some privacy policies. Just scroll until the very end and now you will find the I agree button. Click on it and now you will be shown another pop-up. You can click on the checkbox if you want to receive emails about updates regarding Google Bard. But if you don't want to be annoyed with those, then you simply leave it as it is and then click on the continue button. And now you have successfully gained access onto the Google Bard AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.